channel. Vibe Chef Nancito here. Hope everyone is doing okay. Me, I'm doing fine and ready to share with you my recipe here. Hope you'll enjoy and you'll be interested to know this recipe. Today I have another type of bread I want to make with you today. A fresh bread from home. Yeah. Who is excited like me? So it's a bread which is very easy to make. It doesn't have a lot of kneading, by the way. You have to knead something, you have to knead just a little bit. It is so simple, and it's a sweet bread. Yes, a bread you can have for breakfast, or you can use like a sandwich with it. You can do so many things with bread. You can have with some eggs. So kindly stay with me. Let's do this together, and let's start our recipe now. I have my ingredients here, as you can see. You'll see as I mix them, you'll see what I'm doing and what I'm using. So what we'll start with is the dry ingredients, and I want to put them here. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, Vibe Chef Nancito here, and let's start the recipe. Now today we are doing a bread, another type of bread. I have made some bread in my YouTube channel, but for today I'm doing another one, another type of it. Yes, it's slightly different from the ones I have done. So I always like doing something different, so that you can have so many types of bread you can make. Now I have my 2 cups of flour. I have sifted it. I'm putting it in the bowl like this. Yes, and I have my 2 tablespoons of sugar. I put inside here again, and I'm just using a pinch of salt. I want the bread to be sweet, just a pinch. Now I'll stir it. I'll stir it together. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, Vibe Chef Nancito here. Make sure you stir very well, so that the ingredients can mix together, the dry ingredients. Now I'll put this aside. Let me put this aside. I want us to mix the wet ingredients, and I have my bowl here. I want to put my, what do we call it, my milk powder. I want to put the milk powder. Today I'm using the milk powder. I think it's creamier. If you have the fresh milk, you can use. Yes. Now I want to use some 1.5 tablespoon. I'll put it here in the bowl. I want it, you can put 1 if you want, but me, I'm adding because I like milk powder. It's a bit creamier than I feel like it's creamier than the fresh milk, by the way. I don't know why. And then I want to put some warm water. This is warm water. I'm putting there, and then I want to stir together. That's a 1/2 cup of water, by the way, mind you. Sorry, I didn't tell you. That's a 1/2 cup of water. I'm mixing the milk powder with some water, so that it can mix well. Yeah, as you can see, to use it for the dough, for the bread, sorry, my stand is misbehaving. Sorry for that. My tripod was falling down. Yes, kindly bear with me. Yes, now we are mixing the milk. As you can see, this is the milk powder. I have mixed with 1/2 cup of water and 1.5 tablespoons of the milk powder. Now I want to add the yeast. Yeah, I have to add some yeast. I'll have to put 2 tablespoons of yeast inside the milk. I'm measuring it. That is 1. and 2. Yes, 1 and 2. I want to set aside for some few minutes. I want the yeast to prove a bit. After you mix, just set it aside for some few minutes and let the yeast to prove for a while. Yes, let me get something to cover it so that we can wait for it for like 5 to 10 minutes. You can be checking it if you see it has some bubbles or something, so that you can cover it and put it aside for a while. And then we'll be back to go on with the recipe of the bread. So don't go anywhere, let's do this together. Hello, our milk has proved. As you can see, there are some bubbles in the yeast. Now I want to go on with the recipe. Let me open it. See, we're waiting for those bubbles. Then I'll add my melted butter, 2 tablespoons. And I will add 1 egg. To the mixture. Then stir. Mix the wet ingredients first, so that we can go to the wet ingredients. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, Vibe with Chef Nancito here. Today we are doing another type of bread, and it's very simple. Yes. So let's do this together. After that, take your wet ingredients and mix the wet ingredients together. Now we make our dough of bread like this. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, Vibe with Chef Nancito. Today we are doing bread. Yes. Another type of bread. This bread doesn't need a lot of kneading. Yes. Just a little bit. Just trying to incorporate the whole flour so that the dough incorporates nicely, and then we leave it to rise again. See, let me finish with my hand. You want to take all the dough. Yes, kindly subscribe to my channel. Today we are doing bread. See? See? It's supposed to be like that. Where are you watching from? Let me know where you're watching from, so that I can give you some love. Yes. It's supposed to be a little bit sticky, Let me take some oil. I add. It doesn't need a lot of kneading now. This is our dough. It's supposed to be like this. Now I will just cover it for like an hour also, so that we wait for it to rise. Then we'll be back for the next step. That's how the dough is supposed to be. That's our dough. That's our dough. Now I'll cover it and then we'll give it some like 30 minutes and then we'll be back. Let me cover the dough. And then you make sure you keep it in a warm place so that it can prove. We'll cover it like that. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, Vibe Chef Nancy to here. Today we are making another type of bread. Now I'll just cover it like that and then I'll be back in an hour's time so that we can go on, and make sure you have already preheated your oven so that when you finish this bread it's direct to the oven. Kindly let's do this together, don't go anywhere. After an hour we'll be back. Our dough has proven. Now we can go on with the other process. Yes, now it's okay. It's done. I have to dust with some small flour. See how the dough is proven nicely. It's supposed to be like that. Hey, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Baby Chef Nancy here. Now you want to shape it. I don't know if you can see. There. I want to cut into 3 pieces so that I can show you what I want to do. 3 parts, 3 equal parts. This one is big. They're supposed to be equal. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, Vibe Chef Nancy here. Today we are doing a bread. Very simple recipe. This one I want to do like this, so that I want to roll a bit. I'm rolling the dough. Then I'll fold like this. both sides like that. Then I'll continue rolling again like that. See? Then after that I'll start folding. Just want to fold it like that. Hope you can see. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Vibe Chef Nancito here. We are trying another. See? Something like that. I want it like that. And then I will put it here in the baking tray. Like that. Let's do the other one. I have to apply some flour. Just a little bit because the dough is so soft. Stretch it. I just want to stretch it a bit so that I can fold it. Then I will do like this again. I fold both sides. Then I'll try stretching it a bit again. See? Then I fold. This is another, and try to press it inside. It's another. See, it's supposed to be like that. Then I put it there again. There are two of them. Now I'm doing the last one. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, Vibe Chef Nancito here. Yes. Today we are doing bread. Fresh bread from Nancy's kitchen. Yes. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Where are you watching from? And let me know if you have ever done a bread like this one. Kindly let me know and tell me how you do it. You see how this bread is easy to make. It doesn't have too many kneading like some other bread. Yeah, I find it very easy. I find it very easy. And today I used an egg. I'm not a fan of eggs, but I wanted to do it because of those people who love eggs. Yes, my breads, most of them I do without eggs. Yes, but today I decided to share a recipe using, see, they're supposed to be like that. Now I have to let them prove again for around 10 minutes. Now I'll cover them and I give them like only 10 minutes and then we'll be back. We coat them with some egg, or you can use milk and butter, whatever you have, and then we put them in the oven. See you after 10 minutes. Voila! There is our bread. It has risen. Our dough of the bread. Now we want to put it in the oven for around 12 to 15 minutes. I want to apply some. You can apply egg. I'm applying some milk and butter. We apply it to make the bread to have a brown color when it's going to get cooked. That's why you apply something like this in a shiny texture. Yes. So after this, I'm taking it to the oven and wait for around 12 to 15 minutes. And then we'll be back with our bread so that we can taste together. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, Vibe with Chef Nancito here. And let's do this together. Voila! That's our bread, as you can see. It's done how I like it, as you can see. It's done. It's beautiful, as you can see. So I want to apply some butter before it gets cold. I don't have butter, I have margarine. That's what I'm brushing with it. To add more creaminess to the bread. I like my bread while it's creamy. Yeah. See? I just want to apply it when it's hot. And then I like that shiny color, or what do you call it? I love it. Now that one is good to go. Let me show you again. Look at that. I love the bread. It came out so nicely, and you see how I designed it. It looks so beautiful. Now let me take this one, this board. I want to put it there. Look at that. Look at that bread. Look at it. It's well cooked. Yeah. And it's so soft. See? Very soft. In fact, I want to remove it here and put it here so that you can see it nicely. Let me remove it from the foil. Look at that. It looks so nice. Now you can just do like this and remove it. Look at that. See? It's so beautiful. Look at that. Look at it. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, Vibe with Chef Nancito here. I think this is I'll finish my recipe here, as you can see it. Yes, I don't want to, it's still hot. I didn't wait it to cool. I just wanted to show you how it is so that we can finish the video here. Tell me how you see how it looks. Look at that. Look how it's done. It's done nicely. And I don't want to cut it because it's for morning. I just want it to cool so that we can have it in the morning. Kindly tell me how you see my bread in the comment section. So my morning is sorted. No buying bread. Look at how it looks this side. I don't want you to see. Look at how it's done nicely. This is the bottom of the bread. Look at that. I like that, the way it looks. Look at it. Wow. It's amazing. So tomorrow, I'm done for breakfast. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, Vibe with Chef Nancito here. I'm happy to share with you this bread recipe, as you can see it. Look at that. Look at it. Let me show you how it looks. See? Kindly try this. You'll thank me later. It's very sweet and creamy. Yeah. See how it's soft? Look at how it's soft. So soft. Yeah. Can't wait for morning. I'm baking this at night. Yes. It's very late at night. It's around 10. I realized I don't have bread for morning. So I decided to bake and share the recipe with you guys. Yes. So that's the bread for today, and it's very easy. I didn't need so much, you saw, like the other breads. You see, there are some breads which you have to use your time by kneading them correctly. Yes, but this one I just put the ingredients wet and dry, and then I mixed. I just rolled the dough. I didn't even put it in a working surface so that I can knead it again. It's only that I just put it in the bowl again to prove, and then I shaped this nice style of mine for the bread. I love it. Yes, yes, yes. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, Vibe Chef Nancito here. And thank you for always staying with me. And be blessed. And we'll finish the video here. And kindly subscribe, comment, share. Tell a friend to tell a friend so that you can support me in this. Yes. You see, I'm trying to give you some simple recipes. And I know you're enjoying them as I enjoy doing this. Yes. Kindly support me. Like my video, share them. Yes. Even tell your friends to subscribe. If you have some friends, kindly do that for me. Yes. I want your support kindly. Yes, yes, yes. And if you're watching my videos, kindly comment something. Watch the videos till the end. I just need sweet things. Something nice. No insults. Yes, yes, kindly do. And let me know where you're watching from. I want to know where my fans come from so that I can give them some love. Yes, 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 yes. Thank you so much for your time, for staying with me, for watching my videos. It means so much to me. And may you all be blessed and stay safe and take care of yourself until I come with another recipe. Don't go anywhere. Stay with me. Watch my videos each and every time. I have so many videos. Kindly, yes, check my recipes and some travel vlogs. But mostly are my recipes. Yeah, 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 yeah. Kindly do this. It will support me so much. By you supporting me, it means so much to me. Yes. You make me work harder. Yes. So I need you in this. Yeah. So let me finish here and let's see you on the next recipe and video. And bye for now. And I love every one of you. Bye bye.